guys, welcome back to That Lost and Explored. It's Robbie. Today we're out doing a little exploring. I have a special guest with me, Kirk from Keystone Explorer.
How you doing? Thanks for having me out. I'm Kirk from Keystone Explorer. I'm launching a new channel, exploring the Keystone State, and I've got the best guide in the area to go out and explore. And we're hitting to, what are we hitting here? What is this?
Today we're at the Rockport Tunnel. This is a little gravity tunnel. We're going to check out the Rockport access area, the D&L Trail, or the Delaware and Lehigh National Corridor. And we'll do a little bit of exploring and show Kirk around. And happy to have you guys with us.
Let's do it.
We're now actually have to stop. It's going to get really low down here, so I probably don't have to dump too much. We're just inside the Rockport Tunnel here, guys. It does get a little lower. Gonna have Kirk, the Keystone Explorer, here with me today. Guys, make sure you check out his channel. I'll drop a link to that in the description down below. Look at that guy. Oh, he's pretty big. Let's see what kind of view we get out here. It's been a while since I've been back here. I don't typically go through the tunnel, but you guys can get a chance to check it out. Make it tricky. This is the Indiana Jones portion of the adventure. On this side and on that side, I always wondered what those things were. I don't know if you can see them through the trees right now. Looks like they're just like big cement footers. So that's where the water tank was for the steam engines. This place here, in the winter time, it's like a postcard. Well, this is steeper than it looks down there. Curiosity's getting the best of us. It's like an old hermit hole or something. What's that?
Pathway up here.
Huh.
See if I can make it work.
Whew. Get my headlamp on. Want to take turns going in?
Want to go all the way in?
I don't know.
If you get too far around that edge there.
That's what I want to see.
Go for it.
Oh yeah, back that way. Looks like it goes this way. But at least if we take turns and one of us is out here just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case something happens.
Be brave. Oh, you got a flashlight. You'll be alright.
I'm pretty stupid. There's a difference between being brave and being stupid. This, kind of stupid. Yeah, that was a lot steeper than I thought it was coming up.
Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting going back down. Oh yeah. Can't really get in very far, can you?
Yeah, right. It seems like it's grass back there.
That's a bummer.
Right? Can you get around that corner?
I can't. It goes down, like really steep down. And then there's another opening to the right. So I'm thinking that there's footprints in here. I wonder. I kind of don't want to ruin my hoodie.
Well, that's what it was for, right?
True. Very true. Very true. Apologize now for the butt shot.
I'm off your butt.
Mind your way.
No, you're good to go. I'm gonna fly watch you. I'm not gonna eat stuff.
It ain't gonna be hard. I'm big. I got that belly to get caught on everything. Alright, let me get my phone so I can use my phone to video. Sorry, Kirk, this is kind of like the curiosity getting the best of me.
I'm all for it. I'll definitely be here to encourage you to do crazy stuff.
Yeah, don't go. Oh, close to the left, though. Can't go back straight. But we can go to the left. Some kind of droppings in here, though. Yeah, don't go back very far. Just don't want to wake anything up. No, it don't go back very far at all. That's it. Come out. It doesn't go back very far.
Well, that's disappointing. What's this up here? Oh, that's a rock. It looks like metal.
And then to the left, it just goes.
It goes to, yeah, there's another hole over there.
Yeah. If you want to climb back and check it out. I literally just saw the other day an attachment for your GoPro to like attach to a selfie stick, that kind of thing. And now we just need to rappel off of this part, right?
Yeah, right.
Nestled deep in Carbon County, Pennsylvania, Rockport was once a thriving hub of coal and lumber industries. In the 1800s, canal boats, railroads, and mine tunnels carved their way through this rugged landscape, moving timber and coal throughout the Lehigh Gorge. Over time, nature reclaimed what industry left behind, leaving behind forgotten tunnels, ghostly railbeds, and the stunning gorge we explored today. Join us as we uncover the history, hike the trails, and explore the forgotten corners of Rockport and beyond. Stay tuned. We're continuing digging deeper into the Lehigh Gorge and then on to Hickory Run State Park as the adventure continues.
Well, I guess we gotta do it. So I'm pretty sure I exceeded the weight limit on that vine back there. Kirk, Keystone Explorer, he had no trouble swinging on it. You guys see that? I'm gonna have to do more videos with this guy. I'm having a lot of fun today.
That's a good idea. Yeah, let's do it.
This might be my next lunch spot out here. It's actually the spot where they launch kayaks out at the Rockport access point on the DNL. Kayaks,
the rafts for the rafting adventures, for whitewater adventures. Pretty cool area.
Beneath the towering cliffs and winding waters of the Lehigh Gorge, Rockport stands as a gateway to forgotten history. Here we explored the Rockport mine tunnel, the railroad ruins that once fed steam and iron through the valley, and followed Black Creek, tracing what might have been an old rail bed, now swallowed by time. We climbed the cliffs to uncover a hidden cave, paused at Buttermilk Falls, and stood riverside where waters run low, uncovering stories carved in stone. But the journey doesn't end here. Beyond the gorge lies Hickory Run, a land shaped by water, fire, and flood. Our path takes us through the legendary Boulder field before venturing deep into the forest in search of a double sawmill ruins and the old flash dam remnants. Stretching nearly 400 feet wide and over 1,800 feet long, Boulder Field is one of Pennsylvania's most extraordinary natural wonders. Formed more than 20,000 years ago during the last ice age, these massive stones were carried here by glaciers and left behind as the ice retreated. Today, this vast field of rock stands frozen in time, a silent reminder of the power that shaped this land. Standing here, surrounded by stone and sky, it's easy to feel the weight of history and the timeless beauty of Hickory Run State Park.
We made up here to Boulder Field. Again, out here exploring with Keystone Explorer. Kirk, guys, make sure you check out his channel.
So you guys can see this is an area on the weekend that can be, I'm not going to say crowded, but peoply. So if you're looking for solace and solitude, good luck. But there it is. The bonsai tree. We'll call it the bonsai tree of Boulder Field. So if you guys have ever been here and you've gotten a picture by that tree, tag me down below, share the picture with us, and we'll see you in the next location.
As we begin our search for the double sawmill ruins in the old flash dam, we'll follow the creek upstream, cross the fordway, and explore the moss-covered remains that once powered the sawmills of Hickory Run. Ruins that may have contributed to the deadly floods that swept through this land generations ago. From there, we'll make our way to the chapel, built in the 1800s, its walls still echoing with the prayers of a vanished community. Then it's uphill to the Manor house, built in the 1840s, a silent witness to the rise and fall of Hickory Run's past. And just when we thought the story was complete, we stumbled upon something unexpected. A hidden mystery waiting for another day and another return. Stay tuned, our exploration through the Lehigh Gorge and Hickory Run State Park is far from over. The ruins, the relics, and the stories of Pennsylvania's forgotten wilderness still have more to tell.
Right, so we're out here continuing our exploration of Hickory Run State Park. Apparently we're looking for Sasquatch. What did you say the last sighting was?
2022.
2022, there was a Bigfoot sighting up here. But right now we're on the Ridge Trail and we're trying to find ruins from an old sawmill, which I have never managed to find. But with the Keystone Explorer here, hopefully we can find that. And we'll bring you guys along with and show you that. Hopefully. Cross your fingers. I only know ram's head and chicken of the woods. And morels, I think, but I'm not good at, especially a rock wall. Ain't a whole lot of anything else here though. Unless that's part of it. It is. See what's down here. See anything? Wonder if this is it. Like that wall, if that's all that's left. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, it goes back pretty far. Yep. Oh, dude, you're on it. Straight back.
Right?
Yep. Nice. Uh-huh. See, you're teaching me. What's that, 3 things now I've never found back here? That's why you explore with a buddy, people. 2 sets of eyes are definitely better than 1. Very cool. Now we just gotta try not to break an ankle. You guys gotta see this. This is pretty neat. Okay, this is like one of those parks you can explore and never see the same thing twice.
Yeah, that's awesome. I didn't realize it was so close. So.
Yeah, and there's so much. Like there's so much history with the flooding, the park itself, the CCC. I just think check it out.
So this is the sawmill ruins?
So this is ruins from a sawmill, yeah. So I'm guessing this is probably maybe where the wheel was? I don't know. This is pretty cool. So here we are, guys. We found the ruins of the sawmill here at Hickory Run. I'll try to give you guys a little more information on that down below. See a little stream right there. We are actually standing in the ruins.
Built in the early 1800s, this dual mill stood at the heart of a booming lumber operation. Powered by the rushing waters of Hickory Run Creek, it relied on a nearby flash dam, storing water until the gates were opened to unleash a sudden urge of power that drove the saws. For decades, these mills fed the growing demand for timber, shaping the land and in time contributing to the floods that would change it forever.
Kind of back here now, so I kind of want to check it out. But yeah, here's another spot. It definitely looks like it's not natural.
Yeah.
It's stacked. Unless this is part of an old dam. Like that don't look natural to me.
Not at all.
Is that a log or a pipe? Log.
It's like almost like this is, there's a purpose to this, right?
Yeah.
Like this.
That is huge.
Yeah. Like it was put there, like not like by nature.
I wonder if this was a dam. Like for the what do you call it? Because yeah, like there's 3 races there, two separate areas. Anybody who knows the history at Hickory Run, please let me know, because this definitely looks man-made to me. Like these are perfectly straight. It's crazy. So yeah, again, if anybody can tell me if there was a dam up above the ruins to that sawmill. I mean, I'm sure there had to be some kind of water containment, but I think we may have found that area as well. This has turned out to be a pretty cool exploration. Very cool exploration. Really? We got all excited. Sorry guys, no Sasquatch this time. At least not yet.
Yeah, but maybe better go over that way. Or even down.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look. I'm gonna have to look that up. There got to be more to this than just that sawmill. There's got to be, well, there has to be a dam somewhere above the sawmill,
Right.
to provide the water. These are like eye pokers. Yeah, this is funny. So we were standing on this rock wall, another rock wall right there, and then on the other side is the area we were standing in earlier in the video. I'll put a little clip up right here of the area we were just standing in. Stop in at the Manor house. Let's go see if we can find the fountain. Explore the grounds around the Manor house for a change and just look at the Manor house. Can't be far from here. Oh, freaking breath. Sound like I'm dying. Anybody home?
Yeah, thank God we didn't get an answer because that was amazing.
Definitely a cool find. This is gonna hurt. It's a great place for a picnic.
What a journey it's been, from the tunnels and ruins of Rockport through the gorges and falls deep into forgotten history of Hickory Run State Park. A huge thank you to Keystone Explorer for joining me on this incredible adventure. It's always great exploring with someone who shares the same curiosity and passion for uncovering Pennsylvania's hidden past. And of course, a heartfelt thank you to all of you, the I'm Not Lost crew of explorers. Your support, comments, and encouragement keep these adventures going. If you enjoyed tagging along, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. There's plenty more to come. Check out some of our hot tent camping trips or other exploration videos to keep the adventure going. Hiking, backpacking, camping, and all things outdoors. We're just getting started. And remember, I'm not lost, I'm exploring.
This is what I was referring to earlier. I call it the bonsai tree. Actually, if I find it, and I can find it, I'll put the picture up. I have a picture of my children and my nephew out here many years ago standing by this tree. I just think it's amazing.